You won't believe this. I just recovered photos that I thought were lost forever using a free Android app. Some of these photos were deleted months ago and I really thought they were gone forever. But this app found them again. So if you accidentally deleted important photos from your Android phone, don't worry yet. Let me show you how you can recover permanently deleted photos on your phone. First, go to the Play Store and download the Photos Recovery and File Manager app on your Android phone. I will also add the download link in the description. The best part is it's completely free to use. Once you open the app, simply tap on Scan Now and let the app scan your device for deleted photos. The scanning process may take some time depending on how many files are on your phone, so just wait until it finishes. Once the scan is complete, it will show you all the deleted photos it was able to find. Before recovering anything, you can preview the photos and select only the ones you actually want to restore. If you want to recover all the photos, simply select all the images and tap on the download button at the top. Now your recovered photos will be saved on this location, as you can see here, and tap on Continue. And that's it, your recovered photos will be saved back to your device. Also, this app doesn't only work with your phone's internal storage. It can also help you recover photos from your SD card. So that was it for today's video. Try Photos Recovery app to recover permanently deleted photos on your Android phone. Have you ever accidentally deleted an important photo? Let me know your story in the comments below. And for more useful tech tips and solutions, don't forget to subscribe.